Okay, continue on with the rational root example. Example number 4, this is our equation, x squared plus 6x plus 7 equals 0. And what do we want to do here? We want to find out what the answer is. Sometimes it doesn't come out so perfectly. It doesn't cross right at an integer value, and we can't tell exactly where the answer is by graphing. Okay? So let's take a look at that example. In this example, we got a is 1, b is 6, and c is 7. Our axis of symmetry, x is equal to negative b over 2a. b, that's negative 6 over 2 times 1 equals negative 6 over 2, which equals negative 3. So now when I graph this equation, I can immediately say that I'm going to be at negative 3. Let's go 1, 2, 3. And there's my dotted line, my axis of symmetry. Okay? Negative 3. Now let's find my vertex. So I'm going to substitute into my equation the value negative 3. So x squared plus 6 times negative 3 plus 7. And negative 3 squared is 9 plus negative 18 plus 7. So 9 minus 18 is minus 9 plus 7 gives me a minus 2. So there is my, right there, those two terms together is my vertex, negative 3, negative 2. So I count down 1, 2. There is my vertex. Okay? Well, I know that this is a positive a value, so I know it's going to open up. Okay? So let's just take an example here. Let's say we use, in our chart, let's use the following chart. Let's go with x and y. And we know that our vertex is negative 3, negative 2. And let's go left a couple. Let's go negative 5. And if I substitute negative 5 in here, I get negative 5 squared plus 6 times negative 5 plus 7, 25 minus 30 plus 7. Minus 5 plus 7 is 2. So negative 5 and positive 2. 1, 2. Okay? All right, now let's go the other way, negative 1, and see what we get. Negative 1 squared plus 6 times negative 1 plus 7 gives us 1 minus 6 plus 7. 1 minus 6 is minus 5 plus 7 is positive 2. So that guy is 2, that guy was 2, also 2. So we come over here to negative 1, 2. And now when we draw our hyperbola, we don't know if we're somewhere between here and here is where we're going to cross. So as we draw that line and come down, when that happens, what you say for your answer is that I am somewhere between these values. Over here is negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and negative 4. So my zeros, or my roots, are between negative 5 and negative 4, and between negative 1, negative 2, negative 2, and negative 1.
That's it.